Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Center issues severe warning for Apple users over multiple vulnerabilities. NVIDIA chief Jensen Huang to visit India for AI Summit 2024. OpenAI warned Watermark ChatGPT text because its users could get caught. Google Chrome launches new AI features and enhanced search functionality. Tata Electronics holds groundbreaking ceremony for chip assembly and testing plant in Assam. 8 most valued companies see overall valuation tumble by rupees 1.28 lakh crore. TCS Infosys biggest losers. OnePlus Ace 5 could get 2 key upgrades over the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you who invented the term artificial intelligence, and the answer is John McCarthy. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who are the founders of Google? Think you know the answer. We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We will reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiast, and don't forget to comment with your answer. The Indian Computer Emergency Response Team has issued a severe warning to all Apple users. This alert concerns multiple vulnerabilities identified in various Apple products including iPhones, iPads, Macs, and more. The vulnerabilities could lead to severe issues such as sensitive information leaks, arbitrary code execution, security bypasses, denial of service attacks, and spotifying attacks. This makes it crucial for users to update their devices to prevent potential exploitation. The advisory specifies that the vulnerabilities affect the following Apple software versions: iOS and iPadOS versions prior to 17.6 and 16.7.9, macOS Sonoma versions prior to 14.6, macOS Ventura versions prior to 13.6.8, macOS Monterey version prior to 12.7.6, watchOS versions prior to 10.6, tvOS versions prior to 17.6, version OS version prior to 1.3, Safari version prior to 17.6. CERT-In urges Apple users to promptly apply the necessary software updates as listed by the company to mitigate any high-level risk associated with these vulnerabilities. Updating to the latest versions will help secure their devices against potential threats. NVIDIA has officially announced its AI Summit 2024 scheduled to be held from 23 to 25 October at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai, India. This prominent event will span 3 days and it's designed to bring together industry experts, researchers, and technology enthusiasts to explore advancements in artificial intelligence. The summit will feature a range of activities including presentations, hands-on workshops, and networking opportunities. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is set to make a special visit to India for the AI Summit. During his visit, Huang will participate in a fireside chat offering insights into NVIDIA's latest developments and strategic vision. Huang's visit follows NVIDIA's previous announcements about its partnerships with Indian giants like Reliance, Tata, and Infosys, aimed at bolstering India's AI startup ecosystem and reskilling the IT workforce. The AI Summit 2024 will showcase NVIDIA's latest technological advancements, including the much-anticipated B100 chip. This new chip promises to deliver significant improvements over its predecessor, the H100, and will be highlight of the summit. Attendees will have the opportunity to explore NVIDIA's comprehensive suite of AI solutions, which are designed to accelerate innovation in various fields such as healthcare, robotics, and industrial digitalization. OpenAI has developed a system for watermarking ChatGPT created text and a tool to detect the watermark. This system has been ready for about a year, as reported by the Wall Street Journal. The watermarking method involves adjusting how the model predicts the most likely words and phrases, creating a detectable pattern. The company is internally divided over whether to release the watermarking system. While it seems like a responsible measure to ensure transparency and prevent misuse, there are concerns that it could hurt the company's bottom line by deterring some users. Offering a way to detect AI written material could be beneficial for educators and institutions, helping to deter students from submitting AI-generated assignments. The journal reports that watermarking did not affect the quality of the chatbot's text output. A survey commissioned by OpenAI indicated that people worldwide supported the idea of an AI detection tool by a margin of 4 to 1. This suggests strong public backing for measures to identify AI-generated content. Google has rolled out a significant update for its Chrome browser, introducing 3 new features designed to enhance productivity and streamline user experience. This update leverages Google's cutting-edge AI technologies and the Gemini model, marking a notable advancement in integrating generative AI tools into everyday web browsing. One of the standout additions in this update is the integration of Google Lens directly into Chrome for desktop users. Previously available only on mobile devices, Google Lens now enables users to perform visual searches without having to leave their current tab. This feature is accessible through a new icon added to the address bar. By clicking this icon, users can highlight any portion of a web page to search for related information. The result, including visual matches and other pertinent data, are displayed in a side panel, allowing users to gather information efficiently while continuing their work uninterrupted. Tata Electronics has initiated the construction of its chip assembly and testing unit in Jaigarh Road, Assam, with an investment of Rs 27,000 crore. This project is expected to generate over 27,000 direct and indirect jobs in the region, significantly boosting local employment and economic development. The groundbreaking ceremony, Bhumi Pujan, took place on 3rd August, attended by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma and Tata Sons Chairman N. Chandrasekaran. This event marks a significant milestone in the project development. Chandrasekaran conveyed best wishes from Ratan Tata to the residents of Assam, emphasizing the Tata Group's commitment to the region. He thanked the Assam Chief Minister and Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav for their support in speeding up the project, which will provide substantial job opportunities and foster the creation of a future-ready electronics value chain. Tata Group is proud to spearhead the advanced electronics ecosystem in India under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The innovation-driven industry is poised to propel Assam into the global electronics supply chain ecosystem, reinforcing the state's position on the global map. Next up, we have 8 of India's top 10 most valued companies witnessed a combined market valuation loss of Rs 1.28 lakh crore last week. This significant decline reflects a weak trend in the equities market, affecting some of the country's largest corporations. Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) and Infosys emerged as the biggest laggards. TCS valuation took a hit of Rs 37,971.83 crore, bringing its market capitalization to Rs 15,49,626.88 crore. Infosys saw a decline of Rs 23,811.88 crore, reducing its market value to Rs 7,56,250.47 crore. ITC's valuation dropped by Rs 16,619.51 crore to Rs 6,11,423.11 crore. State Bank of India (SBI) saw a decrease of Rs 13,431.54 crore, setting at Rs 7,56,717.85 crore. Reliance Industries Limited experienced a decline of Rs 13,125.49 crore, bringing its market cap to Rs 20,28,695.57 crore. Bharti Airtel market valuation fell by Rs 11,821.5 crore, reaching Rs 8,50,389.88 crore. ICICI Bank lost Rs 7,843.75 crore, with its valuation now at Rs 8,42,176.78 crore. Hindustan Unilever saw a dip of Rs 4,288 crore, bringing its valuation to Rs 6,32,862.41 crore. Despite the overall market decline, HDFC Bank saw a significant increase in market capitalization by Rs 32,759.37 crore, reaching Rs 12,63,601.40 crore. Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) also experienced a modest rise of Rs 1,075.25 crore, bringing its valuation to Rs 7,47,677.98 crore. The OnePlus Ace 5, expected to launch in early 2024, might feature significant upgrades over its predecessor, the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. These enhancements could include a larger battery and faster charging capabilities. Speculation suggests the OnePlus Ace 5 will pack a bigger battery, potentially up to 6,000 mAh compared to the 5,500 mAh battery in the Ace 2 Pro. This upgrade could extend battery life, making the device more attractive to users who prioritize longevity. Additionally, the Ace 5 may support 120 watt fast charging, an improvement over the 100 watt charging capacity of the Ace 2 Pro. This enhancement would reduce the time required to fully charge the device, offering more convenience to users. The Ace 5 might also see design changes such as a slimmer and more ergonomic profile. Improved heat dissipation technology could be another feature, ensuring optimal performance during intensive usage. Enhanced camera's capabilities could include better low light performance and advanced AI features for improved photography and video recording. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.